All right, so we're looking at a 2016 Isuzu NPR, and I'm going to show you how to inspect and clean your cabin air filter. You may not realize that these Isuzus have that, but they're very easy to get to. So you're going to see your glove box right here. It does not need to be open. There are two small clips here and here. You can take your finger and reach on the back and just pop them out like that. I probably need to replace these. All right, so there are three clips on this panel that hold this to the dash assembly. If you'll just push up gently like that, okay? And then I'm going to show you on the back, there are these plastic and metal clips, and they correspond to these holes. Now, inside, this is the blower motor. This is the air box. You'll see this white filter with a little handle. Just grab it like this, pull it straight out. All right, there's your air filter, and it goes in that slot right there. Now, I've already cleaned this. It wasn't it wasn't too dirty, but it should be perfectly clean, just like this. Excuse me. You should be able to see directly through it. So the way that you clean this is I just took it into the sink and used a dish brush and some Dawn dishwashing liquid. Cleaned it, rinsed it off, and then dried it. And this is just like a plastic mesh, and there's no up or down. So we're just going to take this back. Going to line it up with the slot right there. Push it all the way in, and then it'll seat just like that. And then we're going to take our panel and take the three clips, put them in like that. Okay, just push that down, close the glove box, and then I'm going to take these and just line it up with the hole in the dash assembly. It's better to remove these like this, because the way this works is this pin goes in here and forces these four legs out. So just line it up with the hole, put it in like that, and then take this pin and just pop it in. Take this pin, pop it in like that. That's it.